Hey everyone, I'm Toby from the DJI agriculture team, and in this video, we'll introduce the auto boundary route function. Normally, during spraying missions, as the drone approaches a field boundary, it'll automatically decrease its speed as a safety precaution. However, as speed decreases, spraying coverage will also shrink, resulting in unequal spraying coverage. To address this issue, we've introduced auto boundary route, which saves spraying the field boundaries for the end of the mission. First, please generate or select an existing field, click Use, and select Auto Boundary Route. You can set the flight direction as clockwise or counterclockwise. The red line added is the boundary flight route. Close to the boundary, the white part of the routes are where the drone will slow down or speed up, and the spraying system will turn off to avoid repeated spraying. When the drone approaches the boundary and slows down, it deactivates spraying, and after the turn, when it reaches normal speed, it reactivates spraying. When the drone reaches the endpoint of its original flight route, it will automatically begin to spray the boundaries. When you use this function, please be sure to check for obstacles along the boundary route. And here's an extra tip. You can combine this function with the route segmentation function to do a boundary-only spraying mission, for example, for fence line spraying. We hope this introduction to auto boundary route has been helpful. Thanks for watching.